To give you an idea of the image quality coming from this camera, here's some footage that you can look at. Now, this set comes in a 2-pack, a 4-pack, or a 6-pack. It also comes with a base. The base is used so that the signal goes from the camera to the base, records all of the video files to the base itself in your house to keep them nice and secure. And then because this is plugged into the network, when you want to view those files on your phone, you always have the best connection that you can get. And what I really love about this is it does come with a solar panel. So you don't have to worry about power as long as you have the sun outside, which hopefully you do, then you'll get power. The solar panel does not mount on the camera itself. You do need some hardware so you can pick the best spot for it. One nice thing about the camera though for installing it is that you just put a few screws in this mount and then you just snap it into place and you are good to go. Because this is a sponsored video, I don't want to share too much of my opinion for how great this camera is. I just want to show you all of the features, let you decide for yourself if you think this camera could work for you, and then I'll show you some more examples of the video quality. So real quick, I just kind of want to show you the setup process. I recommend that you set up the app before you physically install it, just in case there are any issues that come up. I will note that there is a slot for an SD card, and I suppose that's for if you wanted to just use local storage there, but it does come with this base that has an SD card already with 32 gigs of storage. So this is the recommended way to set things up. You just plug this into your network. That way you can keep all of the video files inside your home rather than on the camera itself. But I'm going to go ahead and press the power button. Let's get this turned on so we can add it to the app. In the app, I'll just press this button. You can scan the QR code that is on the camera. So I will go ahead and do that. And I already have a base that I will add it to. Or you could add this new base. And this is asking me to press the power button and reset button again. So I will do that until the light starts flashing. Let's go ahead and continue. And looks like it found it and it's adding it.
It may take a moment. Please wait for a while. Save settings successfully.
I guess give this a name, D1 number 1. And now we have a live view and we can use this to rotate if we want. We can talk to the camera, can turn the light on and off. And I do think this has a really cool light on this, one of my favorite lights on a security camera. You can disguise your voice, that's what that is. You can turn on an alarm, can turn tracking on and off, or calibrate. Where the real power of this though is with all of these settings for surveillance. So for vehicles, people, pets, parking guards. So just to show what that is, you can set a zone for parking. If a car shows up there, you can do a detection zone. You can choose how you want your alarm and customize time. So really a lot of options for where the camera should be looking to notify you. And then with your notifications, you can specify different things with notifications. By default, it's just going to notify you for everything, but really nice how customizable that is. And the battery management's nice, so you can see if your solar panel's in a good spot or not, if you need to change the mode. You can hook this up to your smart home devices so you can actually view the camera from those devices. You can change the settings at night, whether you want it to be black and white or color. And you can change the image quality settings. Just a lot of things you can do to customize this to your liking. Hopefully what I showed you with the app gives you an idea of how powerful this is with the notifications. I've been using aosu cameras for I think just over 2 years now, and what I really appreciate about them is on my phone I can see kind of a running history of everything that's going on in my yard. So whether it's an animal that walks by or a person, aosu actually gives summaries of what is going on. You get really fast notifications. So if, for example, you have this installed on your front porch, someone comes to deliver a package, you get notified right away. So that's really nice to make sure you can get your package right when it's delivered. And then, of course, it has other things like pet detection and vehicles. I really like how you can customize the different zones, customize and specify notifications as well. The physical installation for this is about as simple as possible. You just put in a few screws with the mount, then you plop it into place. And it is really nice that it comes with a base so that if something were to happen to this camera, or maybe someone wanted to ruin it or maybe steal the camera, I guess, you have the video files saved on the base. And they actually do have a cloud service. So if you want to pay for cloud storage, you can do that as well. So if you are looking for something with a lot of options, a lot of customizations, but also it's just dirt simple to install and set up and be good to go without touching anything at all, this I think is a great option. It has a nice powerful light. It's got good antennas so it can get signal from a long way away, 360 degrees. This basically has it all.